Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and today we will talk about impacted teeth. Now, just a reminder that all the information that is bolded and highlighted in blue is something I've seen come up on exams, and you should really try to remember those. Let's jump right in. So, impacted teeth are teeth that have not fully erupted for whatever reason. Sometimes that is because of the tissues or another tooth that is blocking the eruption. Other times it could be because the tooth just doesn't have the memento of eruption anymore, whether it is because of trauma or an idiopathic reason. Now, the most commonly impacted teeth are mandibular wisdom teeth. They are followed in their occurrence by maxillary wisdom teeth, and finally, after that, the maxillary canines. Now, these three are super important to remember. So, first, we have the